There's a call for greater technology to be used in agriculture, even as the Prime Minister commends small farmers in particular for treating their trade as a science and adapting to new techniques. He was speaking at the close of the Denbigh Agricultural Show in Clarendon on the weekend. Krista Campbell reports.
After years of encouraging more young people and women to take up farming, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says he's pleased with the improvements he's been seeing.
It is not a displacement. It is an expansion, a broadening, a diversification in agriculture. And it would suggest to me that what we are seeing is the introduction of greater management in agriculture, because you know it is. The women are better managers of our household.
On the final day of the annual Denbigh Agricultural Show in Clarendon on Sunday, Dr. Holness also commended the move towards greater use of technology, especially among small farmers.
More people are asking for soil tests to be done, because once they begin to understand the kind of soil that they have, then they can properly select the kind of plants that they should grow. And they don't need to be a big farmer to get their soil tested. Any farmer can get their soil tested.
And as Jamaica grapples with growing agricultural problems, including new pests, crop insurance, and resilience, the Prime Minister says those solutions must come from within. And so he's commending an increased use of research in agriculture.
For example, I saw the case team doing a research in how to reduce methane in feed for ruminants. That is good for the environment in terms of climate change, but it also increases the growth of the ruminants. And this is what I want to see more of in agriculture.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.